First trickles, then streams, then rivers. The explosion of biodiversity, imagining new species adapted to the African rainforest. The return of ancient megafauna, could mammoths or giant sloths roam again? The interconnectedness of this new ecosystem, and how it could become a global biodiversity hotspot. The unforeseen impacts extend far beyond the initial event, rippling outwards to affect global weather patterns. We're talking about the birth of new ocean currents, the dramatic alteration of existing jet streams, and a fundamental shift in atmospheric dynamics. Changes in rainfall distribution will be one of the most visible consequences across the world. Some arid regions could experience unexpected blooms, potentially turning deserts green with new life. Conversely, traditionally fertile areas might face prolonged droughts, impacting agriculture and water resources. The profound effect on global temperatures is undeniable. We could be looking at the dawn of a new mini ice age in some regions, while others experience unprecedented warming. Or perhaps the overall effect will be a greener planet, with increased vegetation and a reshaped climate landscape.